Hello guys, a very good evening. Masquera say, Masquera say, Masquera say. I have forgotten to put something here. Yeah, Masquera say, Masquera say, Masquera say. Let's talk. Advocate Fadzai Mahere had an interview with Blessed Mhlanga, and she had to speak about various issues. She was questioned about various issues, and she had to answer. She managed to answer. Let's get to this video so that you hear what she really said.
Let's talk about your constitutive document. Are you saying at this present moment you're not a legal persona?
No, of course we are. And I mean, any lawyer will tell you that, a movement, especially one that's participated in politics and is a voluntary association, that has an agreement and consensus amongst its members about how it will operate.
Let's talk about your constitutive document. Are you saying at this present moment you're not a legal persona?
No, of course we are. And I mean, any lawyer will tell you that, a movement, especially one that's participated in politics and is a voluntary association, that has an agreement and consensus amongst its members about how it will operate as an absolute legal persona.
But you need a constitution to do that.
Yes, a constitution is not always at the time that it's written, and you don't actually need a constitution in the way that you're thinking about it. I mean, a number of churches, for example, are legal entities. They don't have constitutions. I'm not saying we don't have a constitution. I'm saying the constitution will be unveiled in due course.
Do you have it?
Oh, yes, but it's the product of broad-based citizens, consultation, and it's going to be unveiled at the appropriate time.
But where did this consultation take place?
That's a great question. That's a great question. You recall President Chamisa last year did a number of Meet the People tours. If you recall, and it's unfortunate that, we don't, in fact, it's fortunate. We don't talk about this all the time because we need to protect the citizens we consult, especially when we're talking in rural areas. We've been having these Meet the People tours. And President Chamisa spoke of how he was speaking to special interest groups. He went all around a number of provinces, and he's been doing so repeatedly, as have a number of our members throughout the country. Every single district of Zimbabwe is covered. That's where these consultations are taking place. And they obviously are not yet complete. We're going to continue to speak to the citizens, to experts, to, friends of the struggle, to get their input. And what I can guarantee you is that the outcome is going to be something that we can all be proud of, something that's got space for every single Zimbabwean who wants progress and dignity and prosperity for all, and for everyone who really believes in our mission, which is really to deliver on improving the lives of Zimbabwean people.
Enter Chan.
So, Team Zimbabwe, you have heard Advocate Fadzai Mahere speaking, and I hope you have understood the party position regarding whatever people might be talking about, be it the Constitution, be it the Congress, and so forth. She explained that right now, consultations are in progress. Advocate Chamisa is meeting various people and different people to make sure that he comes up with a people-driven document. He comes up with a constitution which comes from the people, and that is what is very good and what is very, very important. So I now understand the reason why the CCC does not listen to the pressures from people like Jonathan Moyo and so forth. Is because they are taking their time to consult the people. And thank you very much, Advocate Mahere, for clarifying that, because it shows that this is a citizen movement. You don't do things on your own. You don't rush things. You do things according to what the people of Zimbabwe really want and what the people of Zimbabwe are looking at. And that is what is very, very important. And I hope that we are going to have that document, which is going to be a blast. And basically, in 2023, CCC is going to have the best manifesto ever. So it is going to be a blast in 2023, presenting the best manifesto, presenting a document which is going to make the people of Zimbabwe realize who they are and where they are coming from and where they are going. That is what we need. We need people who come with realistic policies, not people who come with bogus policies based on lies and deception. So this is in Zimbabwe. Advocate Fadzai Mahere speaking about the processes of finding or getting to the constitution or getting to the Congress, whatever. So she spoke, she clarified it, and you cannot expect to see Advocate Nelson Chamisa announcing Windiripa, Dazodai. You know how ZANU-PF operates, and you know how they hate him. So this is the best. People are continuing to do wonders. Go to Chipinge, go everywhere where CCC is. That is when you see that people are really connected to the movement. People are rooted into the movement, and they know what is happening. They're doing it. So let's vote for change. Let's register to vote. Let's continue to mobilize for voter registration and for people to vote for change. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you very much for your support. Make sure that we pursue change together. Thank you very much.